If you love traveling and want your hotel stay to be awesome, you're in for a treat. There are hotels available at different price ranges, each offering varying levels of quality and services. While they are not all the same, there are some nifty secrets you might not know about some hotel rooms. Let's explore 12 of them. 1. Never plug your phone into built-in USB ports. The FCC has reported on juice jacking, where malicious actors can steal your data or install malware on the device. Additionally, it can potentially harm your phone due to variations in power supply. Use power outlets instead with your charger and cable to ensure both security and the health of your device. 2. While sheets and pillowcases are usually changed regularly, bedspreads and bed runners may not be washed as frequently. It's a good idea to inspect and request fresh bedding if needed. Additionally, be cautious with couch pillows, as they may not be cleaned regularly. If necessary, ask for an extra pillow for hygiene. 3. Hotel room remote controls are known to be hotspots for germs. Consider disinfecting or using a plastic cover, like a shower cap, if you're concerned about hygiene. 4. Upon arrival, enhance the room's air quality by opening windows or using a fan. This simple step promotes better ventilation, minimizing potential airborne contaminants from previous guests or staff, contributing to a healthier environment. 5. Avoid using the minibar as much as possible. Minibar items are often priced significantly higher than if you were to purchase similar items outside the hotel. Consider bringing your own snacks to save on expenses. 6. Avoid placing toothbrushes in cardboard cups, as they're lightweight and prone to falling on unclean surfaces. Instead, flip the cup over, create a hole, and insert the toothbrush to keep it secure and hygienic. 7. Consider bringing flip-flops to hotels to avoid going barefoot. It's not always guaranteed that hotel floors are regularly or thoroughly cleaned, and having flip-flops can provide an extra layer of cleanliness and comfort during your stay. 8. Be cautious with hotel coffee or tea makers, as they may not be thoroughly cleaned between guests. Consider running a water cycle before use, and, if possible, sanitize the machine to ensure a cleaner and more hygienic coffee and tea experience during your stay. 9. Free items aren't always free. Some items in the room labeled as complimentary may not actually be free. Check for any attached price lists or information to avoid unexpected charges. 10. Different areas within a hotel can have varying noise levels. Rooms near elevators, ice machines, or high-traffic areas may be noisier. Requesting a quieter room is often possible, and if the hotel isn't fully booked, they might offer a quieter room at no extra cost. 11. Do not use glasses or mugs placed in your room, even if they appear clean. These items may not be well washed or replaced between guests. It's advisable to buy a sponge and wash them yourself, or use disposable cups. 12. Room rates can be negotiable. Don't hesitate to negotiate rates, especially during off-peak seasons or for extended stays. Hotels may offer discounts to fill vacant rooms. Remember, these are general observations, and practices can vary among different hotels. It's always a good idea to check the specific policies and amenities of the hotel you're staying in. Do you know of any other secrets that we haven't mentioned? Feel free to share in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, let us know by giving it a like, and if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. Bye.